When it comes to diesel engines, every component has a role, but few are as important as the fuel injection pump. This is the piece that dictates how much fuel goes into the combustion chamber, at what pressure, and with what accuracy. If the pump isn't right, everything else struggles, power drops, fuel efficiency suffers, emissions increase, and engine reliability takes a hit. The focus here is on a specific solution, the 0470504026-897-326-7393 diesel fuel injection pump 109342-1007, which is compatible with Isuzu 4JH1 and 4HK1 engines. This isn't just a replacement part, it's a performance-focused upgrade designed to deliver consistent results in demanding environments. Let's begin with construction. This injection pump is built around industrial-grade plungers. These are engineered to handle extreme pressure cycles without premature wear. Over time, that durability matters. Engines used in trucks, construction machines, or industrial vehicles don't operate in ideal conditions. They deal with long hours, variable loads, and harsh surroundings. A pump that can't handle the stress won't last. This design ensures it can. Alongside those plungers, there's dual rail stabilization. That's essentially a reinforcement that keeps fuel delivery smooth and steady even when the engine is working under heavy load. Vibration and uneven pressure can throw off timing and cause inefficiencies. Stabilization minimizes that problem, which translates into smoother performance, better combustion, and more reliability. Now, consider the application. The Isuzu 4JH1 and 4HK1 engines are popular choices for medium-duty trucks and industrial machinery. They're designed to be dependable workhorses. But as with any engine, their performance is tied directly to how effectively the fuel system works. By using the exact matching part numbers, 0470504026, 8,973,267,393, and 109,342-1007, you're ensuring compatibility that aligns perfectly with these engines. That accuracy in matching parts avoids unnecessary adjustments, reduces downtime during installation, and guarantees that the system will operate the way it was designed. The performance benefits of using a properly engineered pump can't be overstated. First is combustion efficiency. Diesel engines rely heavily on injection timing and volume to produce power. A misaligned or underperforming pump can lead to incomplete combustion, which shows up as black exhaust smoke, reduced horsepower, and higher fuel usage. With this pump, fuel is delivered at the right time, in the right amount, and at consistent pressure. The result is cleaner combustion, stronger torque output, and less wasted fuel. Another aspect is emissions. More countries and industries are enforcing stricter standards for emissions. Even older vehicles and machines benefit from parts that optimize fuel burn. By providing stable and precise injection, this pump reduces the production of soot and other pollutants. Cleaner operation isn't just about regulations, it also helps the engine run longer without buildup that can lead to damage. Fuel efficiency is also a big gain. A diesel engine with consistent injection pressure makes better use of every drop of fuel. For companies operating fleets or heavy machinery, that means measurable cost savings. Over thousands of operating hours, the reduced consumption can significantly lower operating expenses. For individual owners, it means fewer trips to the pump and a more efficient vehicle overall. Durability is a defining characteristic here. Many aftermarket components cut costs by using lower-grade materials. That might work initially, but in real-world conditions, those parts wear out faster. This pump's industrial-grade design is meant for long service intervals. That translates into less maintenance, fewer replacements, and more uptime. In industries where downtime equals lost revenue, that's a major benefit. Ease of installation is another factor worth mentioning. A part that fits correctly from the start saves both time and labor. This pump matches factory specifications for Isuzu 4JH1 and 4HK1 engines, making it a direct fit replacement. That's important for businesses where every hour of downtime matters. A straightforward installation means vehicles and equipment can get back to work faster. Performance under heavy load is also critical. Many pumps perform adequately when engines are idling or operating under light use but begin to falter when real stress is applied. That's not the case here. The reinforced design maintains consistent pressure and flow even at maximum torque. Whether it's hauling